This is the EtherParts Limit Switch Upgrade Kit assembly video. The assembly is quite simple and intuitive. Begin by soldering your limit switch as you normally would. Solder one wire to the common terminal and the other wire to either the normally open or normally closed terminals. Next, slide the limit switch into the housing. Pay attention to the wires and route them through whichever side you want. Secure the limit switch by installing the 1-inch 440 screws into the designated holes and tightening until they are snug. Be careful not to over-tighten. The screws should be visible but not protruding out of the other side of the housing. Then, place your lever arm on top of the limit switch, making sure its pivot hole aligns with the housing. Install the 1-inch 1032 pivot screw into the housing and the lever arm. Tighten until there is only a little bit of wiggling. Make sure not to over tighten, as you still want the lever arm to be able to freely move and depress the switch. The assembly is now complete. 2 1/2-inch 1032 screws should be left over, which can be used for mounting.